what's up, welcome back. So today I have a small MAC haul. I did purchase some stuff from the new MAC and monochrome collection. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I was gonna try this stuff on today, but I just don't feel like putting on any makeup and then having to take it right back off. I just don't feel like doing that today. So stay tuned because I'm gonna do a trying on some new MAC makeup really soon. I'm gonna do that video because I'm going to place another order at MAC, well, online for MAC. I got some stuff in my basket, so I will do like that type of video, so stay tuned for that. But let me show you guys what I picked up. So yes, I purchased some stuff from the MAC and monochrome collection. They came out with a new collection or whatever. And in my new makeup that I'm eyeing video, I told you guys that I wanted to purchase some stuff from that collection. So I did purchase some stuff from the Velvet Teddy line. So I picked up the Velvet Teddy lipstick. Now it does come in like a limited edition packaging, but when I went in Macy's, the guy said that they didn't have any more of the cute little packaging. So but online I seen on Macy's that they still had it, and then on MAC website that they still had the cute limited edition packaging in Velvet Teddy. But if you already have this lipstick in your collection, you really don't need it unless you want the new packaging. But I just went ahead and got Velvet Teddy because I don't own it at all. So, and I always wanted it, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. But I'm sure you guys have seen this before. So it's just like a mauve nude shade. I definitely need a lip liner with that, like a nice brown lip liner. So yeah, so I picked that up. I'm excited to wear that. I just got the regular packaging, and then in the Velvet Teddy line as well, I did get the lip gloss. So this is called Best Teddy, and this is the lip gloss. I knew I wanted this lip gloss when I seen it. So here is the packaging, and I will swatch that right next to the lipstick, and they're like the same color. It's just one is a lipstick and one is a gloss. So there's the gloss right there. It's really pretty. This is the lip gloss that I got. Yeah, so definitely like this color right here, I would have to wear a lip liner because it's like, I feel like this is kind of too light, like it's too like pinky nude, so I would need like a lip liner. And then I also purchased from the Velvet Teddy line, I did get the powder blush, and this is called Sur, S-U-R, I guess that's how you pronounce it. And I have not swatched it yet, but I picked the blush up, and it's a really pretty nude type of blush. So I picked that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it right now. Here is the blush right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this as a eyeshadow and a blush as well. So I didn't get the eyeshadows that came in the Velvet Teddy collection because I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow anyway, and I have something similar in my collection. I already know. And so then from the Ruby Woo collection, I didn't get the lipstick. I'm going to order that online. I didn't get the lipstick, so I'm going to order that online because the man said that they didn't have the special packaging, so I'm just going to order it online. But from that collection, I just really wanted the blush and the lipstick, and I think I'm going to go and get the eyeshadows. I'm not sure, but this is in the color Apple Red, and these are my first MAC blushes. I already wanted to try their blushes. I'm just going to use this as an eyeshadow, and this is a really nice red shade. Yeah, I'm definitely not wearing that on my face because that's too much for me. Apple Red. This is from the Ruby Woo line. It's a really pretty color. So those are all the colors that I got.